carpool lane. A bit of slowing as you approach. Walnut 10 west and hold. A car on its roof in the carpool lane. The passengers trapped inside, so it looks like emergency crew is going to pull out the jaws of life. A couple of other vehicles over to the right. This is an injury accident in the backup to the 57. Santa Fe Springs, 605 north before Telegraph Road. Debris in the fast lane causing a number of cars to end up along the right shoulder. I can tell you right now, it's slow from Firestone. Bellflower, 91 east, just past Lakewood Boulevard, a two-car crash. They are on the side of the road, and you are on the brakes at Lakewood. Linwood, 105 east at Long Beach Boulevard, a two-car fender bender. They are along the right shoulder and the backup to Central. North Hollywood, 170 south, a tour bus hit a trash can in the carpool lane. Just a heads up as you approach. Sherman Oaks, 101 west before Van Nuys Boulevard, a two-car collision, both along the center divider. It's slow from Woodman into Encino. Chavez Ravine, 110 north connector to the 5 south, shut down for guardrail repair until 1 p.m. A significant backup to the 10. Our next report, 11:25. I'm Manny Pacheco with more traffic reports more often. KNX 1070 News Radio.
Partly cloudy weather through this.
Hey Siri, call driver Amar.